Greetings, welcome to Macka B's What Me Eat Wednesday. And today is the result of the competition, and the competition was sending an avocado recipe, and the winner was Gardenofmyla on Instagram. Big up Gardenofmyla. Yes, I am. And the winner is avocado key lime pie. Okay, let's give it a try. Alright, what do we need first? Ingredients for the crust: dates, spelt flour, and walnuts. A little coconut milk could be delicious. Get a food processor, put them all in, then process. Put them in a grease tin. Spread it out and put them in the fridge. The next part of the pie you have to deal with. The next part is the filling. That's where the avocado come in. Coconut cream. Put it to use. Lime zest, day sugar, and lime juice. Blender, food processor. You choose, then blend them up until they are smooth. Then get the crust from the refrigerator. Remember, you saved it till later. Spread the filling on the crust and even layer. Add any toppings that you desire. Then chill for a few hours or overnight till the filling is set right. When it's ready, take a bite. Avocado key lime pie for your delight. How want me eat Wednesdays? Yes, I am.